Hello everybody, this is Srinivas Kurre. Please subscribe my channel and share my video and write your comment if you like this. So today I would like to explain some IIT JEE questions on Schrodinger wave equation. See here, I have written two questions on the board. The wave function of atomic orbital hydrogen-like atom is given under. So here this is the radial wave function. So we can, by giving radial wave function, what they are asking, given that the radius is in angstrom, then which of the following is radius for nodal surface of 2s orbital for helium plus ion? Means they are asking radial node of 2s orbital. At what distance we can observe radial node for 2s atomic orbital? Now for radial node, the psi must be equal to 0. For node, the psi must be equal to 0. Now I am going to take the radial wave function. The radial wave function, what is there? So here this is the radial wave function. For node, the psi must be equal to 0. Means here I am going to write 0 equal to. Why? Because for node, the psi must be equal to 0. So that's why I have written here 0. 0 equal to 1 by 4 root pi z power 3 by 2 into 2 minus z or e to the power of z or by 2. Now see here 1 by 4 under root pi z 3 by 2. So here this is the constant. This constant cannot be equal to 0. Next, this is exponential form e power z or by 2. It also cannot be equal to 0. Now what is there? 2 minus z or. Now it can be equal to 0. Means what we can write? 0 equal to 2 minus z or. From that what we can write? Z or equal to 2. R equal to 2 by z. Z is nothing but what? Atomic number. Here which atom? Helium plus ion. For helium plus, what is the atomic number? 2. Now you can substitute here R equal to 2 by 2. Then R equal to 1. What is the radius? Angstrom. Means, so here the radius is angstrom, means 1 angstrom is answer. So what is the answer? 1 angstrom. So here the question is very large, but answer is simple. So from the radial wave function, we can be calculated radial node like this. Next, second question. See here, the Schrodinger wave function of hydrogen atom is. So here this is the Schrodinger wave function. From this, what they are asking, where A0 is Bohr radius if the radial node is 2sb at R0 means R0, then R0 would be equal to, then R0 would be equal to 0. When R0 would be equal to 0 means indirectly they are asking what? Radial node. At what distance we can identify the radial node? Now see here, so here also they have given radial wave function. So here for node the psi must be equal to 0. Means 0 equal to what we can write? 1 by 4 root pi 1 by a0 to the power of 3 by 2 into 2 minus r by a0 e to the power of minus r by a0. It is constant, it cannot be equal to 0. Next, it is exponential term, it cannot be equal to 0. Why? Because minus is there. Next, so here it can be equal to 0. Now we can write 0 equal to 2 minus r by a0. From that what we can write? 2 equal to r by a0. 2 equal to r by a0. Then r equal to what we can write? R equal to 2 into a0. So here this is the answer. R equal to what? 2 into a0. So here this is the third question. So what they have given and what they are asking in this question, the wave equation for hydrogen atom. So this is the wave equation, and where a0 and z are the constant in the given expression, and sigma equal to 2z r by a0. So they are asking minimum and maximum position of radial node from the nucleus. So what is the minimum position of radial node from the nucleus and maximum position of radial node from the nucleus we need to calculate. If you want to calculate the minimum position of radial node from the nucleus, we need what is the minimum volume of sigma. If you want to calculate the maximum position of radial node from the nucleus, we should know the maximum volume of sigma. Okay, so if you know that, we can do easily. If you know the sigma, we can calculate R. Why? Because Z and A0 both are constant. Now listen here, this is the wave equation. So from this wave equation, it cannot be equal to 0. Why? Because we are going to calculate the radial nodes. It cannot be equal to 0. Next, so here this is the exponential form. It cannot be equal to 0. So these two terms can be equal to 0. And what we can write? Sorry, wave function, it should be equal to 0. Should be equal to 0. 0 equal to sigma minus 1. Then sigma equal to what we can write? 1. So here we got sigma equal to 1. Next, another one. What is there here? Sigma square minus 8 sigma plus 12, it is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, it is equal to 0. It is quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? Sigma equal to minus b plus or minus. We are going to calculate the sigma. Minus b plus or minus under root, otherwise we can write x of here. Next, what we can write? B square minus 4ac by 2a. Now b equal to what? Minus 8. A equal to what? Before the sigma there is no coefficient, means 1. Next, c equal to what? 12. Then you can substitute. Then we will get the sigma. Sigma equal to minus into minus 8 plus or minus under root. Here what is there? B equal to minus 8. Minus 8 to the power of 2 minus 4 into 1 into 12 by 2 into 1 means 2, we can write. Then sigma equal to 8 plus or minus 8 plus or minus here minus 8 to the power of 2. Here power even is there. Then what we will get? 8 power 2 means we will get 64 minus 48 by 2. 64 minus 48, it is equal to 16. Means under root of 16 equal to what? 4. Then directly I am going to write sigma equal to 8 plus or minus here 4 by 2. From this we will get the two sigmas. One is sigma equal to 8 minus 4 by 2. Then sigma equal to 4 by 2 means what we can write? 2. Then another one, sigma equal to 8 plus 4 by 2 means 12 by 2 equal to what we can write? 6. So here sigma equal to 1, sigma equal to 2, sigma equal to 6. Means we need to calculate the minimum position of radial node. Means we need to take the minimum sigma. Minimum sigma is what? 1. If you want to calculate the maximum position of radial node, means what is the maximum of maximum sigma? 6. By taking sigma equal to 1 and sigma equal to 6, we are going to calculate the minimum and maximum position of radial nodes. Then sigma equal to 1 to z or by a0. So from that r equal to what we can write? R equal to we can write a0 by 2z. So here this is the minimum position of radial node. Next, maximum position of radial node means 6 equal to 2z or by what we can write? a0. 6 a0 equal to 2z or. So from that 6 a0 by 2z equal to r. Next, finally r equal to what we can write? 3 a0 by z. So here this is the maximum position of radial node from the nucleus. So here these are the fourth one. See here, the average and most probable distance from the nucleus for one less electron in hydrogen atom respectively. A0 is the first core radius. So here options they have given. means they are asking average most probable distance and next one most probable distance from the nucleus in hydrogen atom for 1s orbital. Now see here, so we can calculate easily most probable distance, but how can we calculate average probable distance? For calculate average probable distance, we have an equation. It is very important. Average probable distance equal to 1 by 2z into 3n square minus L into L plus 1 into A naught. So here this is the equation for calculating the average probable distance. Now Z equal to what? Hydrogen means Z equal to 1. N principal quantum number. Here 1s means what is the principal quantum number? N equal to 1. L equal to, here what is the subcell? S. The subcell is S. L equal to 0. Then we can calculate average radial distance. Now average radial distance equal to 1 by 2 into 1 2 into 3 into 1 square minus 0 into 0 plus 1 into A naught. From that, average radial distance equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus, so here 0 plus 1 means 1 into 0 0 means finally what we can write A naught means average radial distance equal to 3 by 2 A naught. 3 by 2 A naught means 3 by 2 is nothing but what? 1.5 A naught. So here this is the average radial distance of 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Next, most probable distance. Most probable distance equal to direct formula n square A naught by z. N square A naught by z. Why? Because here A naught they have given. Otherwise we can take 0.529 into n square by z. Now most probable distance equal to n principal quantum number. How much is there? 1. Means cell number equal to 1 into A naught by z into A naught by z. Z equal to how much? 1. Means most probable distance equal to A naught. Why? Because z equal to 1. A naught by 1 is nothing but A naught. Means what are the average probable distance? 1.5 A naught. Most probable distance A naught. Then what is the answer? First, average probable distance. The answer is C. Next, another question, fifth one. So here this is the Schrodinger wave function where A is the Bohr radius. A is the Bohr radius. The radial node is 2sb at R0. At R0 distance, they are finding the radial node for 2s. Then the value of R0 by A naught. Means they are asking the ratio of R0 by A naught. What is the ratio? We need to find out. Means this is the Schrodinger wave function, means it cannot be equal to 0. It is exponential form, it cannot be equal to 0. Then which will be equal to 0? 2 minus R by A naught equal to 0. Why? Because radial node. For node psi equal to 0. 0 equal to 2 minus R by A naught. Then what you can write? 2 equal to R naught by A naught. So here what is the ratio of R and A to? Sixth question. See here, for 3s orbital, the value of psi is given. This is the wave function, and sigma equal to 2rz by 3a naught. What is the maximum radial distance of a node from the nucleus? So we need to calculate maximum radial distance from the nucleus. We need to calculate what? Sigma. Maximum sigma value. So how can we calculate maximum sigma value? So this is the exponential form. It is exponential form, it cannot be equal to 0 and it cannot be equal to 0. Next, what is there here? Here sigma square minus sigma plus sigma, it is equal to what we can write, psi equal to 0. From this, it is in the form of ex square plus bx plus c, it is equal to 0. Now it is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, sigma equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now sigma equal to b equal to what we can write, 6 minus into minus 6 plus or minus under root 6 to the power of 2 minus 4 into a equal to what is there, 1, c equal to 6 by 2 into 1 we can write 2. Now from that, sigma equal to minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus under root minus 6 to the power of 2 means we can write 36 minus 24. 24 into 6, 24 by 2. 36 minus 24 we can write 12. Sigma equal to 6 plus or minus under root 12 by what we can write, 2. Now from this, sigma equal to 6 plus or minus under root 4 into 3 by 2. 4 into 3 equal to 12. We can write it. Next, sigma equal to plus or minus root 4 equal to, we can write 2. 2 root 3 by 2. So from this, sigma equal to I am going to take 2 common, means 2 into 3 plus or minus under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2 means 2 into 3, 6. 2 into root 3, 2 into root 3. Then 2 to get cancelled. Sigma equal to 3 plus root 3. Sigma equal to 3 minus root 3. So this is what maximum value. This is minimum value. They are asking what maximum radial distance. Means maximum radial distance, if you want to calculate by using this sigma, we need to calculate the maximum radial distance. If they will ask the minimum radial distance, by using these we can calculate the minimum radial distance. Now see here, they have given equation sigma equal to 2r z by 3a naught. Now in the place of sigma you can substitute 3 plus under root 3. Now 3 plus under root 3 equal to 2r z by 3a naught. Okay, now see here, 3 plus root 3 equal to 2r z by 3a naught. So from that, what we can write, 3 into 3 plus root 3 equal to, here you can write a naught equal to 2rz. From that, r equal to what we can write, 3 by 2 into 3 plus root 3 a naught by z. So here this is the maximum distance from the nucleus. Means here this is the maximum volume of sigma, this is the minimum volume of sigma. They are asking maximum distance from the nucleus. So here by taking this we can calculate the maximum distance of node from the nucleus. So here this is the quadratic equation. In the place of sigma you can take x. Okay. So this is the quadratic equation. I am the BPC student background, so that's why I have given here explanation. If you like this video, please share and subscribe and write your comment.